Good morning, students. Today I start linear equation in one variable. Exercise 2.2. This exercise is totally based on what problem of linear equation. Now see question number 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Let us understand the questions. Suppose you take any number and you have to subtract 1 by 2 of that number. Means suppose you take x. Okay. So you have to subtract 1 by 2 means x minus 1 by 2. And this result is again multiplied by 1 by 2. You will get 1 by 8. This is the question. Now see how we can solve this equation. Let us see. Now, solution. Let the number be x. We have to assume number x. ATQ means according to question. According to question, x minus 1 by 2 means x is a number. We have to subtract 1 by 2. And this number is multiplied by 1 by 2. So that's why we write 1 by 2 in bracket x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. And now solve these questions. It means 1 by 2 and in bracket, see in the bracket x minus 1 by 2. So we have to take LCM 2. So now 2x minus 1 whole divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. And now let us see the 2x minus 1 and by outer side you have to see 1 by 2 means 2x minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. The 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 8 and into 1 by 2 because here the 4 is division form, so that's why we multiply in RHS. The 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. 2x is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. Again 2x is equal to, we have to take LCM 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2. The 2x is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. So therefore x is equal to 3 by 4. So therefore the number 3 by 4. That number we have to find it. This is the answer. How can we solve this question? Now see question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. What is the length of the breadth of the pool? Now see, listen. Let us try to understand the question. Suppose perimeter of the swimming pool is given, that is 154 meter, and given length is 2 more than twice its breadth. Means suppose you take breadth as x, so means length is what? Twice its 2 more than twice its breadth. Means 2x plus 2. Length is 2x plus 2. Now solve. How can we solve this question? Let us see solution. We have to take, so let the breadth of the pool be x meter. Its length equal to 2x plus 2. Means in question what are given? Length, what about the length is given? Length is twice the breadth, 2 more than twice the breadth of the length. So that's why we write here its length is equal to 2x plus 2. The perimeter of the pool is equal to 154. In question given, perimeter is given. And what is the perimeter of the rectangular pool? 2 into L plus B is equal to 154. Now put the values of length and breadth in the given question. So 2 into length is 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2, and breadth is x. So 2x plus x is equal to 154. So 2 into 3x plus 2 is equal to 154, and take 2 to the right side. So here 2 is in multiplication, but that's why here we divide by 2. That means 3x plus 2 is equal to 154 by 2. 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. 3x is equal to 75. 77 minus 2 means 75. And x is equal to 75 by 3, that is 25. So therefore x is equal to 25. We got the value of x. Now put this value of x in length and breadth. So hence the length of the pole is 2x plus 2 means 2 into 25 plus 2. 50 plus 2 means 52. And its breadth is x means 25 meter. So therefore we got length of the pole is 52 meter and breadth is 25 meter. Now see question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 2 by 15 centimeter. So what is the length of the either of the remaining equal sides? Suppose now see and try to understand the question number 3. So suppose in here is given what? Isosceles triangle. The isosceles triangle means what? Two sides are equal, another third sides are unequal. So means either two sides equal sides are not given, either sides are is given, that is 4 by 3. So let us assume either equal sides be x, another side is 4 by 3. So now see the solution of this question. Let the length of either of the remaining equal sides be x centimeter and base is equal to 4 by 3 centimeter. According to question, perimeter of the triangle is equal to 2 by 15 is given. Perimeter of the triangle is 2 by 15 centimeter. And what about the perimeter of the triangle? You know, sum of all sides means there are 3 sides in a triangle. Thus we have to sum all the 3 sides of the triangle. We got the perimeter of the triangle. That's why we write here sum of all sides is equal to 62 by 15. We have to change mixed fraction into a improper fraction. The sum of all sides means x plus x 4 by 3. The remaining either two sides are equal, which is given. We have to assume here x. The x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 62 by 15. 2x is equal to 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. 2x is equal to, we have to take LCM 15 and 3 is 15. That means 62 minus 20. 2x is equal to 42 by 15 and solve this one. X is equal to 42 by 15 into 1 by 2 and solve. We got 7 by 5 and change this improper fraction into a mixed fraction, that is 1 2 by 5. That the length of the either remaining equal sides is 1 2 by 5 centimeters. Now see question number 4. Sum of two number is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. So now try to understand the question. There are two numbers. The means question is given what? Sum of two numbers means there are two numbers. So suppose if you take in two numbers means one is a smaller number, another is greater, because one of the number exceeds the other by 15. So let the smaller number be x. The another larger number be x plus 15. So according to question, sum of two number is equal to 95. This is given in the question. Now put the values. Sum of these two numbers means x plus 15 is equal to 95. So x plus x means 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. 2x is equal to 95 minus 15. The 2x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 by 2 means 40. So therefore we got x is equal to 15. So hence the smaller number is equal to x means 40 and the larger number is equal to x plus 15 means 40 plus 15 is equal to 55. So the two numbers are means what? 40 and 55. Now see question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3 if they differ by 8. So what are the numbers? Try to understand the question. There are two